Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Microsoft subscription. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here, we are going to simply follow the support article from Microsoft in this video. And here, how you can exactly cancel a Microsoft subscription. So basically, you will have two options. Either you are using like an individual account or a business account. So for a business account, you will be needing to go through the admin center. For your individual account, you will simply go to your subscription and basically you will be able to uh, cancel your subscription. So in your Microsoft account settings, you will find your account, your info, devices, etc. You will be needing to go to subscription. And from here, you will find like your Microsoft subscription and you will be needing to simply click on manage. And from here, you will be needing to click on cancel. In my case, they are expired, so my only option that I find is resubscribe. But in your case, you will be able like to cancel, or you can simply go to the Microsoft account and from there you will be able to manage your subscriptions. If you have like a business account, you will be needing simply to go to the admin center. So it really depends on the type of billing that you have. But generally, you will be needing to simply go to the admin center and you choose like you go to the billing page. And from the billing page, you will be needing to go to the products that you are using. Then you would select the subscription that you want to cancel, and then on or in the detail page or the pop-up that will be showing, you will find like subscription status, and you will need just to click on cancel subscription, and you will be able to start canceling the subscription. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.